Yo, what's happening? Man, I'm just on this road, man. Headed to Ruston, Louisiana to get loaded. I gotta drop it off in Kilgore, Texas. Same day, pick up, drop. So, about to get this handled. Just a little hazmat load. He said 2 totes. We'll see when we get there. Y'all seen what it is. These totes, hazmat, corrosive. Got the same thing on the front of my truck, same placard. Truck dirty. Got stuck in the mud down there when I was getting loaded. Nah, it's sitting right here in the door. Look, Charles, you gotta look where you're going. Look where you're going. Look up at the screen. Look. No. Watch where you're going. Alright, get ready to turn. There you go. Turn. I have to drive for you. That's all you want to do.
Did you see that? Three-point land. At the buzzer. Great game.
Cold, bro. Got said 6 boxes. He said this the biggest one down in Houston right now. Well, down in the Houston area right now in Pasadena. Picking this load up, going to Wilmington, Delaware. So long drive, but you best believe I'm not going nowhere for cheap. So you must be paying a whole lot of money if I'm going up there. Get loaded, get it in. Yo, what's happening? I'm live from, where I'm at? Somewhere in Tennessee, almost in West Virginia. I mean, almost in Virginia. So, met the pilot. On that lightweight load. By the road, my legend. Pull it. There you go. So I had to literally walk around out here and find the tank that I was picking up, read the number of the paperwork, and finally got it. Found it too. Now I gotta try to find the black one. Took forever to get this off. I had to take the pin out the chain. That sucker was locked on there. Thank you. And my windshield got cracked some type of way. But look at this place. We took them containers off. I'm on the yard riding around.